Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel TechPala. So in today's video we are going to see some of the Windows 11 display settings. The first settings are most of the settings are under Windows 11 settings display. So if you open the settings app under system display, you can see different settings. So one of the settings is changing the scale or the resolution. You can recommended resolution. And another is setting a light or dark mode or the proper percentage orientation. So you can see the scale and layout. You can make it 125%, 150%, and also you can change the display resolution. The second one is how to change the display HDR settings. So here you can see the HDR settings is under system display HDR. So here you can change the system display HDR. So for high definition monitors, you can change the setting here. For 4K resolution, 8K resolution, you can change the correct display setting here. Now the next thing is you can see here how to in display settings. We can see there are other settings in display settings. For example, the night light mode. So for your eyes convenience, you can set the night light mode, so that will dim the light. Next, graphic settings. So the graphic settings are under also system display. In the system display, you can see the graphic settings. You can optimize it by ticking on. So for Windows games also you can optimize it. So under games, under gaming section, for that also you can the Windows 11 graphic settings or display settings can be optimized for your games. So under display graphics, you can see that that gaming section also is there. Under gaming section also the setting is visible. Next is accessibility features. If you see the accessibility features, there are different options here for Windows 11 display settings. So here you can see you can set the text size. So for a bigger text size, you can increase the text size under accessibility. That is under settings under accessibility, you can increase the text size. Next, you can change other settings also. For example, visual effects. For visual effects, you can change the different types of. For most of the other settings, you can go through that particular section. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.